Salut à tous, c'est Dingy, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour l'épisode 8 de Life is Strange et on commence tout de suite parce que j'ai rien à dire. Donc ça sert à rien de parler pour ne rien dire. Logique.
Now I know today was difficult for everybody, but I'm
On
so
retrouve le
proud
gros
of the way
bâtard.
Blackwell pulled together to save a young girl's life. Of course, you're quite the hero for getting Kate to come down, Max.
I didn't do much.
She's modest. Like a real hero.
Yeah, real hero.
Haha, il est jaloux.
As principal of Blackwell Academy, I take my duties seriously. I take the well-being of every student more seriously. What happened today should never happen in a hall of wisdom and knowledge. Mr. Madsen, as our head of security here, those roof doors should always be locked. That's just standard operating procedure. They were not, and that is indeed your responsibility. Mr. Jefferson, I know you can't be expected to know what your students are going through, but Kate has assisted you in class, so you should have known something was amiss. Mr. Prescott, since you are responsible for the Vortex Club parties, and since Miss Marsh did attend your last party, you'll have to answer some more questions. Miss Caulfield, why exactly were you on the route with Kate Marsh? Did
Ah,
she tell
je
you
jouais à
her
la
plan?
marelle, pourquoi,
Or
connard?
anything at all? Please, tell us everything.
Ah merde, je dois agresser quelqu'un. Pas cool ça. Bah, Jefferson, je pense pas que ce soit le centre du problème. Hein. Ce serait... Vous savez quoi? On va en tenter une. Et si je me fais trop défoncer, on changera de solution. Nathan, je sais pas si ça va marcher. Parce qu'il est fort, comment va-t-on dire? Il y a la pression de sa famille sur l'école. Du coup, je sais pas. On va tenter, hein, mais ça m'a l'air ce qu'il y a de plus logique.
All I know is that Kate was at a party and Nathan dosed her. She got wasted and kissed some boys on a viral video without a clue.
I dosed her? Without a clue. Have you seen the video? Whatever. Kate was loaded and
You're a
playing
liar.
the field.
You told Kate you took her to the emergency room.
I said I was going to take her to the ER. She sobered up eventually.
Bullshit. Something happened to her and you know it. How about we talk about you waving a gun in the girls'
Hey,
bathroom?
that's total slander. I could sue you and this school so fast. I already have a personal lawyer.
Wait, Max. You told me that nothing happened.
Ah, et voilà, ça me retombe dessus.
Are you just making things up? How can I trust you?
You can't. She's smoking and selling dope, not saving
Quoi?
lives.
Mais je vends
No,
pas de
I'm
drogue.
not. And that has nothing to do with Kate Marsh.
I'll have to investigate to see if this accusation is true. Therefore, Max, I'm obliged to contact your parents and suspend you for a few days.
Quoi?
Excuse me. I think Max and Nathan need a break before we grill them further. A friend and student just tried to kill herself. They don't need this forum right now.
Yes, I'm kind of devastated right now. I'd like to be with my family.
All right, Miss Caulfield, please sign here to confirm what you've told us. I'll continue this investigation from there.
My head is killing me. But I think I can use my power again.
Ça a l'air très mal parti pour moi. Je veux dire, moi j'ai pas d'avocat, hein. C'est la dèche. Mais vous savez quoi, on va revenir dans le passé. On va tenter une autre solution pour voir si ça se passe mieux. Allez. Et sinon on reviendra sur Nathan. On va tenter David. David, ça m'a l'air quand même... parce que c'est un peu un gros psychopathe avec son appareil photo à la suivre partout aussi, non?
Mr. Madsen was bullying Kate.
Oh, grow up.
Excuse me, I was there. I saw you getting in her face.
You have no idea what you saw. Kate Marsh was involved with a bad crowd. I was trying to find out who.
Kate had a double life. I was super shocked when I found out.
No, you were part of the crowd. And like I said, I personally saw David physically harass Kate Marsh.
You lying little...
Quoi qu'il arrive, je
You
me fais
take this
défoncer.
junkie's word over your security officer? I know she smokes and deals marijuana.
Mais je
has
deal
nothing to do
pas.
Max,
Il est
I'm
fou ce
afraid
mec.
this won't be solved here without proof and a thorough investigation. Now, if you have anything else to say,
Excuse me. I think...
please sign here.
Quoi qu'il arrive, pour l'instant c'est une mauvaise décision. Je me fais défoncer dans tous les cas. On essaye avec Jefferson? Allez, qu'est-ce qu'on a à perdre de toute façon, hein? Allez, mais j'arrive pas à remonter le temps plus vite, c'est dingue. Alors là, en option, ce qui nous reste, c'est soit on accuse Jefferson qui, le pauvre, n'a quasi rien fait, ou soit on se fait défoncer pour Nathan. C'est un peu le karma là, hein. Enfin, le bon ou le mauvais choix. Parce que Jefferson, c'est un peu le bouc émissaire là pour l'instant. Allez, on va voir.
I saw Mr. Jefferson talking to Kate right before her class. Then she ran off crying.
Mark, I do know that Miss Marsh has assisted you on class events.
Kate has been very withdrawn lately. I assume this awful video was the cause. I hated seeing the students laugh at her. She told me Max was the only one who believed her, would take her calls and actually listen to her.
She shouldn't have asked to be on video macking with some dudes.
You
Gna, gna.
ass! She didn't.
It's too late.
Well, now this is problematic. The publicity is rising, and perhaps you shouldn't represent Blackwell at the Everyday Heroes contest in San Francisco.
Are you serious?
I am. We don't need any negative press about that event. And we need to involve the Academy in possible disciplinarian measures for you.
I understand. There are bigger things at stake than me. The life of a young girl, for one. Maybe you should investigate other staff members. Max told me she knew things about Mr. Madsen.
Let Max speak for herself. Everything we talked about here will be looked into. All right, Miss Caulfield, please sign here to confirm what you've told us. I'll continue this investigation from there.
Bon, je récapitule. Si je dis Nathan, je me fais défoncer parce que c'est lui qui a le pognon. Si je dis David, je me fais défoncer parce que c'est lui la sécurité. Du coup, la seule option qui me reste,
Just sign this
c'est
and we're done
Jefferson.
with this episode of Law and
Et c'est vraiment triste. Parce que... Mais au moins, il y aura une enquête sur ce qui se sera passé. Sans que je me fasse défoncer ou expulser. Mais le vrai responsable, c'est Nathan. Mais personne va me croire. Ça m'énerve. J'ai envie de vous demander ce que vous en pensez, mais vous pouvez pas me répondre. Parce qu'en fait, je parle toute seule dans ma chambre. Du coup, pas évident. Allez, on va signer, hein. J'espère que ce sera pas un choix trop important pour la suite de l'histoire. Tu m'étonnes que ce sera important. Je suis la pire joueuse du monde.
Well, I think we know less now than when we started. We'll be assisting the police with further inquiries. I know this has been a stressful day. I wish I had the power to change it all for the better. So thank you for coming in.
J'espère au moins que Kate va aller voir la police.
It was literally slow motion as I grabbed her hand. And then I could feel her grabbing mine.
Max, that was the greatest thing I've ever seen. Ever! You reached out, she reached out, hugs, tears, applause. Like a superhero.
Not quite. Look at me. I'm a mess.
You're glowing. Seriously, a human halo. I'm pretty sure you earned your wings today.
I'm still worried
À
about
part une
Kate.
auréole de sueur, je vois
She
pas grand
did
chose.
try to kill herself. All over a video.
Viral is the right word. Like a disease.
So you watched it.
Just 1.5 times.
Warren, I don't mean to sound weird, but there's something ominous going on at Blackwell.
Today proves that.
And I'm working on proof that Kate Marsh is connected to Rachel Amber. Somehow. Along with Nathan and Mr. Madsen.
I'm not a big conspiracy guy, but I wouldn't doubt it. Nathan did scare me yesterday, and Madsen is a straight-up dickhead. So, what do you think is really happening?
What the hell is this? The weather confirms this weird
Une
day.
éclipse?
Feel that chill.
Max, there was no eclipse scheduled today. I would know. I would.
I believe you, Warren. I'll believe anything this week.
Décidément, le temps à Blackwell. Après la neige, l'éclipse. Qu'est-ce que ce sera demain? Ah, je pense qu'on a terminé le chapitre 2. Out of Time. Je me sens mal pour Jefferson. J'espère qu'on arrivera à régler le problème avec Nathan. J'espère aussi que le dealer va pas nous défoncer après ce qu'on lui a fait. Pauvre Kate quand même. Ah, ça m'énerve ces vieux classeurs. Oh, l'intuition de Max était plutôt bonne quand t'as dit que Rachel et Kate étaient liés. Et voilà, c'est tout pour cet épisode-là. On est à peine un quart d'heure, donc nous on va encore un peu continuer sur l'épisode d'après. Donc dans les choix importants, vous avez dit à Kate d'aller voir la police. J'espère qu'elle va le faire, ou quelqu'un de sa famille. J'ai répondu à l'appel de Kate, oui ça m'a aidé à ce qu'elle ne se suicide pas, heureusement. Vous avez tenté de tirer sur Frank, là je suis dans la merde. Vous avez sauvé la vie de Kate, c'est plutôt bien. Et j'ai accusé Jefferson. Ça, franchement, je ne sais pas du tout si c'était un bon choix ou pas. J'espère que c'était un bon. Les choix un peu moins importants. Oh, elles ont le don de se foutre dans la merde. Chaos Theory. Désolée pour mon accent, vraiment désolée. Et voilà, bah on va débuter ce chapitre 3 alors, hein. Let's go. Ah oui, je vais vous épargner le résumé des épisodes précédents parce que ça fait vraiment pas longtemps qu'on l'a fait. Du coup, je pense pas que ce soit
In the
très
previous
utile.
episode,
Choisissez bien, on fait ce qu'on peut. Épisode 3. Bon bah c'est parti, hein. Est-ce que je peux bouger ou... Non, je peux pas passer apparemment. Ah, j'ai hérité du lapin de Kate. Faut pas que j'oublie de le nourrir. Quand je vous avais dit qu'elle dormait pas assez.
I knew Chloe would be all over this, so I better get moving.
Hop. Toujours son fidèle t-shirt avec une biche, hein. On la connaît maintenant.
Glad the media doesn't waste a second exploiting Kate. Now she has
s'abuse.
another video of herself all over the web. And even I'm in this one. At least the news didn't mention my name. Yet. Besides Rachel, it's been a while since anybody vanished from Arcadia Bay.
C'est plutôt une
I
bonne
shouldn't
chose en
sound so
fait.
disappointed. I sure hope these people treat her better when she comes back to school. If she does.
Les gros enfoirés quoi. T'étais vraiment une sale pute, mais maintenant on t'aime bien parce que t'as failli te suicider. Bon rétablissement. Bande de connards, va. Gros hypocrite. Je déteste les hypocrites.
Man, I really turned a molehill into a mountain. And I feel bad for Mr. Jefferson about this.
Ouais, je m'en veux. Bon, il sera pas suspendu toute sa vie, hein. Et puis ce qu'il a fait, c'est pas si grave quand même. J'essaye de me rassurer comme je
Either I
peux, hein.
delete my page or I block everybody. Nowhere to hide these days.
Ok, d'accord, on me traite de héros, c'est une bonne chose, je crois.
Everybody will be talking about Kate now. Blackwell might as well shut down for the next month. Are you a hungry bunny? Here, nosh on this.
Par contre, je crois que j'ai fait mourir ma plante. Ne me donnez jamais de plante, elle a l'air pas en bon état, hein. Regardez, ses feuilles sont toutes brunes. Non, c'est pas une bonne chose qu'on me confie des plantes. Bon bah ok. Très bien. Bon allez, allons retrouver Chloé.
Okay, this is scary dark. Let there be...
Bon bah let's go, hein.
so much hypocrite.
Tu l'as dit. Tiens. Qu'est-ce qui se passe ici?
Hey, Dana. How are you doing?
Better than Kate. I just can't believe she would even attempt suicide.
Ouais, on est tous responsables, hein, au
I
fond.
think we're all responsible for what happened.
True. But you're the only one who went up to that roof with Kate.
J'ai eu de la chance.
I was lucky.
On va dire
That's
ça.
all.
No, girl. That was not luck. You made a choice to save her. Like a superhero.
Arrêtez
Then
de tous
maybe
me
it's
traiter
time
de
to
héros.
catch the bad guys.
So what exactly are you saying, Max? I know Jefferson got reamed by the principal. Do you think they're involved?
Je ne suis pas sûre.
I'm not sure yet, but I'm on it. Weird shit is going down at Blackwell, and I'm going to find out why.
I'm getting scared now. But people here are still sneaking out tonight.
What? Like who?
Victoria bounced out of here earlier, and now you, Sherlock?
Not me. I need a break from today. Get some sleep too, Dana.
Pourquoi
See you
tu
later.
nies? Tu vas partir dans 3 secondes. Il se passe un truc si je retourne en arrière? Ça avait l'air de dire que je devais le faire.
Hey, Dana.
Better than...
Non, il n'y a rien de nouveau.
I think
On va savoir.
I was...
No. Then maybe... So what I know...
I'm not...
I'm getting...
What?
Victoria...
Not me.
Non, non, il n'y avait rien de nouveau. Ok, très bien. Bon, bah, on se barre, hein, alors.
Ugh, Victoria isn't here. Maybe I'll just wait and bide my time. Going through her...
Pourquoi tu veux fouiller ses affaires? Si elle te trouve, t'es morte.
So Chloe is waiting for me in front of the main hall.
Bon. Bon, bah, allons la retrouver, alors.
Principal Wells. Are you serious? I'm toast if he sees me.
Je pense pas que tu sois
Nobody can
foutu.
expel me.
Il est tellement bourré. Il se rappellera même pas que t'es passé.
Miss Caulfield, you have to be stealthier than that. You're not supposed to be outside your dormitory at this hour. You know that.
I'm sorry, Principal Wells. I'm still tense after I thought Kate was going to
C'est
jump
lâche, ça,
today.
d'utiliser sa meilleure, enfin,
I
une de
just
ses meilleures
needed
amies qui a
some
sauté.
air and space to walk.
No explanations. Seeing Kate come up on that roof, then seeing her come down with you. You saved her ass. Maybe saved Blackwell. Now don't get cocky. Going back inside. You earned good dreams.
Great. So how do I get past him to meet Chloe?
Il doit bien y avoir un autre moyen. Qu'est-ce qu'elle me dit, Chloé? Oui, les pages de journal, je vous les fais vite lire, hein, comme d'habitude. Hop. Alors, mes messages, Chloé. Bouge-toi le cul et vite, Max. Ouais, que veux-tu que je fasse? Moi, je fais plus vite que je peux, hein. C'est facile, ça, quand on va plus à l'unif.
Blackwell almost lost another student.
Bon, peut-être que si je retourne suffisamment le temps... Allez, plus vite.
I know I have a set of keys on me.
Bim.
Max the Ninja strikes again.
Bon, où est-ce qu'elle est, Chloé? On a eu la retrouver. Ouf, elle m'a fait peur.
Get it? Booyah. Like I'm a scary punk ghost.
More like a scary punk asshole. Hey, Chloe, I didn't exactly have the greatest day trying to keep my friend from jumping off the roof. I don't think I need you to prank me tonight, okay?
Sorry. But you absolutely balls to the walls did save your friend.
Kate saved herself. I couldn't even use my power. My head felt like it was being crushed. Then I had no clue what to say to her on that roof.
Don't be so modest, Rockstar. Kate is alive because of you. You obviously said the right thing, and your badass power is gonna save us all. We just need to connect the plays.
And find out who almost killed Kate. We have to stop this from happening to anybody else.
Oh yeah, and somehow stop that tornado from wiping out Arcadia Bay, right?
La théorie du chaos.
Didn't you say that it was all about chaos theory? I don't see any control over this chaos.
Oh right, except for your ability to, oh yeah, manipulate time and space. No biggie.
Chloe, I just feel weird about some of my decisions. Especially after I just got Mr. Jefferson in trouble.
Dude, do not even torture yourself like that. Let's focus on looking for clues, okay?
Elle est encore plus indécise que moi dans la vie, c'est terrible ça. À propos de Kate ou à propos de Rachel? Ouais, plutôt de Kate, je saurais pas trop quoi dire sur Rachel.
Right. For one thing, there's too much coincidence between the people around Kate and Rachel.
Like Step Prick and Nathan Prescott.
Bien sûr.
Of course, they're both sociopaths.
More like psychopaths. At least David doesn't try to beat down women like Nathan.
And even though I don't know her, it feels like Rachel is guiding us to the truth.
Fuck the truth. I just want to find my friend right now. It scares me to think where she could be. Do you think she's...
Morte. J'ai pas envie de lui mentir. En train de s'éclater, ça c'est clair et net que non. En vie, je sais pas. En mort, je sais pas. On va dire morte, hein.
Dead? I'm sorry. I hate even saying that, Chloe.
Not as much as I hate thinking it. Max, we have to find Rachel soon. We have to.
I promise you we will. Like you said, it's time to start the search for clues. Now tell me what's your secret.
Drum roll, please. I present the spare keys to Blackwell. Thank you, Step Prick.
You are
Oh,
such a
no.
boss, Chloe. I just don't want you to get in
Toujours
any
dans la
more
butte,
trouble.
Chloé.
Look at all the trouble dropping in Arcadia Bay. At this point, who gives a fuck anymore? We're in it to win it, Max. Lead the way.
I'm so glad you're my partner in crime.
As long as you're my partner in time.
Insert groan here.
Thank you again so much for helping me put together a portfolio.
Hopefully the rest of the class will follow your lead. I'm sorry I was distracted. As you know, it's not been a good day for Blackwell.
I know this has been an awful day, and you can talk to me anytime, Mr. Jefferson.
Thank you, Victoria. I'm glad it had a relatively happy ending.
I don't know what I would have done if Katie jumped.
Katie? I had no idea you two were that close.
Bien sûr que non.
Did she?
Well, how does this affect the Everyday Heroes contest?
The contest will go on. I just won't be representing Blackwell at the event this year, thanks to Max, who claims I enabled Kate Marsh's trouble by merely listening to her.
I'll give you a one-word
Désolée.
sneak preview of Max's photo. Selfie. Listen, you've seen my entry. You know it's better than that. Wouldn't that be so cool to hang out together in San Francisco, Mark?
Stick to Mr. Jefferson, Victoria. I won't be going to San Francisco, remember?
You already love my work, so it's not like you're playing favorites. Just imagine if you picked my photo, though. We would have to spend a lot of time together. That could be fun, don't you think?
I'm going to think that you didn't say any of that.
You might as well
Hola.
choose me. Otherwise, I might have to tell people you offered to choose my photo for favors or something.
As a favor to your future, I'll also ignore that undisguised threat. This conversation is officially over, Miss Chase. I suggest you go back to your dorm now.
On dirait que le rentre-dedans n'a pas marché.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Quand je vous disais que c'était une connasse.
So stupid.
just when I think Victoria can't get any more evil.
Shit is about to get real at Blackwell.
Let's go find out.
Ça fait une demi-heure que ça tourne. Je pense qu'on va s'arrêter sur cette entrée dans l'école et on va un peu fouiller tout ça dans le prochain épisode. Alors j'espère que celui-ci vous aura plu. N'hésitez pas à me laisser un commentaire et surtout prenez soin de vous. Bye.
Feeling the sunshine once again. Feeling the sunshine once again.